Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get all your Amazon receipts and invoices. This is incredibly useful if you need to track your purchases for budgeting, tax purposes, or simply want a complete record of everything you've bought on Amazon. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. After logging in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon profile. Now scroll down the page until you find an option called Request Your Data, then click on it. This is Amazon's dedicated tool for exporting your personal information, including all your order history and receipts. At this point, Amazon may ask you to enter your password again for security purposes. If prompted, go ahead and enter it to verify your identity. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Your Orders. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Submit Request. Click on that button. This tells Amazon you want to download a complete file of all your purchase data, which will include receipts and invoices for every order you've placed. After submitting the request, Amazon will send you a confirmation link to your email. Open a new tab in your browser and check your email. Look for the message from Amazon, then click on the link inside that says Confirm Data Request. This step confirms that you genuinely want to receive this information and prevents unauthorized access to your data. Once confirmed, Amazon will begin preparing your information. They'll provide it as soon as they can. Usually, this should not take more than a month. In exceptional cases, for example, if a request is more complex or if they're processing a high volume of requests, it might take longer, but if so, they'll notify you that there will be a delay. In the meantime, keep checking your email and follow all the instructions Amazon sends you. Wait a short time, usually under 24 hours, for a second email from Amazon with a subject such as your Amazon data request is ready. Once you receive that email, open it and click the download link it contains. If a page opens asking for a security code, don't worry. Simply copy the code from the same email and paste it into the security code field on the page. Click Verify or Submit to confirm. After that, click Download on the Amazon page and save the zip file to your computer, for example, in your Downloads or Documents folder. This file will contain all your Amazon receipts and invoices in an organized format that you can easily access anytime you need them. And that's it. You've successfully requested and downloaded all your Amazon receipts and invoices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.